So what I love about this report is nobody's staying after to put it all together or, like count anything up. It's all right at the fingertips and you're just putting in some like filters. Kari, how often do you guys use dashboards?
All the time. I think that's more of a me on the admin level than on the teacher level. I was actually going to ask you to show one of these because if you scroll down, it will show you your top 5 students, positive and negative, and then it also shows you your teachers. So like, yes, if you have a teacher giving a ridiculous amount of negative points, but they're also giving a ridiculous amount of positives, that feels a little more balanced than the teacher that's always giving negative points and never doing anything positive. And that can be a great conversation for you to have with your staff to say, hey, maybe we could try, instead of always just dinging the kids, and we've had this as a building wide thing, like we are going to really reinforce being on time this week. Like that is what we're going to go after. It's our highest thing that kids are getting demerits for. So we are going to reward it on the other side. So like for this sheet, I would say coming prepared. So let's reward the kids that are coming prepared and see if we can kind of flip that number on the other side. So I love this sheet. You can run it for individual kids as well. And it's very, very helpful in a parent conference or in a conversation.
Yeah, if we click on the name of a student, then we are able to see just their behavior data. And if you do have a parent conference coming up or, are needing to identify if a student does need additional supports, this will really help you identify, okay, like what is it that we may be struggling with? Clicking on the number in LiveSchool does show you every time a student received it. So you can identify if it is consistently happening in the lunchroom or in the hallway. That'll be apparent here.